Bienvenidos de nuevo al podcast. Esto es inglés en la vida real y hoy vamos a hacer algo que te va a salvar de miles de situaciones.
Porque mira, puedes saber vocabularios, puedes conocer la gramática, pero si te quedas en blanco cuando alguien te dice ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo va todo? Este episodio es para ti.
Estoy aquí en el estudio con mi hermana y hoy te vamos a ayudar a hablar como se habla en la vida real, como inglés americano, sin sonar como un libro, sin ponerte nervioso y sin quedarte callado.
Y lo mejor es que lo vamos a hacer de una forma divertida.
Porque hoy mi hermana va a ser un poquito dramática. Mi hermana es como el estudiante que sí sabe inglés, pero cuando está enfrente de alguien en la vida real se pone nerviosa. Así que si tú eres así,
entonces hoy te vas a sentir identificada.
Y entonces hoy te vamos a enseñar una fórmula súper fácil para que nunca te quedes en silencio. Este episodio se va a llamar Preguntas y respondes de regreso. Así que quédate hasta el final porque vamos a hacer ejemplos. ¿Listos? ¡Vamos allá! Let's practice with the most common question on earth. Hey, how's it going?
Okay, I would say it's going good.
Perfect. Very American, very normal. But we can level it up. Try this. Pretty good. How about you?
Pretty good. How about you?
Yes, that's small talk gold. And you can swap pretty good with so many options. Not bad. Doing good. Can't complain. I'm hanging in there. I've been busy. I'm doing all right. Now watch how it sounds in real moment. Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Not bad. Just trying to get through the day. Boom! That right there. That's American small talk. Now let's make it spicy. Because sometimes people don't say, how are you? They say, what's up?
I hate that one. Because what do you mean, what's up? The sky?
Exactly. That's what everyone thinks at first. But what's up is basically just how are you in casual American English. So your answers could be super simple. Not much. Nothing much. Just chilling. Just working. Just got here. Same old, same old. What's up with you? Let's do a quick role play. Yo, what's up?
Not much. Just got here. What about you?
Same, just grabbing coffee.
Okay, that sounds actually normal.
Because it is. And the secret is short answers are okay as long as you ask back. Now here's the part that makes you sound even more natural. When you greet someone, don't just answer. Add one extra line. Good to see you. Nice seeing you. It's been a minute. How have you been?
Wait, it's been a minute. Doesn't it mean 1 minute?
No, in American English, it's been a minute means it's been a long time.
English is wild.
It really is. Okay, let's build the full small talk combo. You see someone you haven't seen in a while. You say, hey, good to see you. How have you been? Then they answer. Then you respond with interest.
Okay, but what if they say something and I don't understand?
Great question. And we're covering that later because that's a survival skill. But first, we're gonna give you the strongest set of small talk lines that work everywhere. And you're going to memorize them without even trying because we're going to use them in funny stories. So here's what's about to happen. My sister is going to walk into a situation and she is going to crash. And I'm going to rescue her with simple English phrases. And you're going to steal them. You ready?
I'm nervous already.
Perfect. That means it's going to work. All right, scene 1. You walk into the studio lobby and there's a stranger waiting. And they look friendly. They smile and go. Hey, how's it going?
I am fine. And you?
Not bad at all. But we're going to make it more American and smooth. Say pretty good. How about you?
Pretty good. How about you?
Yes. And now add a following question to keep it going. Ask something easy like, are you here for the podcast too? Have you been here before? Or how's your day going so far?
Okay, pretty good. How about you? Are you here for the podcast too?
Perfect. That's a real conversation. And when you do that, people like you. You're connecting. All right, let's move to the next situation. Because not every small talk moment is easy. Sometimes it gets awkward. And we're going to fix that too. And to page 1.
If you're listening right now and you're like, wait, this actually makes sense, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the other episodes, because we are turning this into a whole series where you learn how to talk English like normal people do, where you learn English like real people speak it. No boring textbook or vibe. And if you want, drop a comment with your country and tell us, do you get nervous speaking English in public? Alright, back to the story.
So my sister is in the lobby. She nailed that greeting. And now the person goes. So what do you do?
Ugh, that question. Because my brain wants to answer, but answers like a robot.
Exactly. People say something simple and suddenly you sound like Google Translate. So we're going to make your answer sound natural. Here are 3 English ways. I work in, I'm in, and I do.
For example, I work in healthcare. I'm in education. I do construction. I work at school. I'm in customer service. Now add one more line. This is magic. And you? Because again, answer plus ask back.
So what do you do?
I work in education. And you?
Beautiful. Now, what if you don't want to share details? Say, I'm in between jobs right now. I'm taking a break right now. I'm focusing on my family right now. And I'm studying right now. And then ask back.
Okay.
Now here comes the awkward part. The person says, oh, nice. So how long have you lived here?
And that's when I panic, because I forget numbers.
Real. So we're going to give you easy structures. I've been here for time, and I moved here time ago. I lived here since year.
Example, I've been here for 2 years. I moved here about 6 months ago. I've lived here since 2019. Since 2019. Okay.
And if you're not sure, Americans love saying about 2 years, about 3 months, like 3 weeks.
Like is so American.
Exactly. It makes you sound natural. Now let's act it. So how long have you lived here?
Been here for about 2 years. How about you?
Oh, I have been here forever. I grew up here.
Nice. Do you like it?
Boom! That's the next step. Ask a simple opinion question. Do you like it? How do you like it so far? What do you like about it? Any recommendations? Those questions keep the conversation moving. Now let's go deeper. Sometimes people say, what have you been up to?
That one confuses me.
It means, what have you been doing lately?
And you can answer super simple. Not much, honestly. Just working a lot. Or just staying busy. I've been tired. I've been dealing with a lot. I've been trying to rest. Or I've been focusing in school. Then ask back. What about you? How about you? Or what have you been up to?
Now, this is where we add personality, because small talk become fun when you add little reactions. Reactions like, no way, really? That's awesome. That's crazy. That's interesting. Good for you. I'm happy for you. That makes sense.
That's crazy. That's crazy. is my favorite.
Same. Now imagine this conversation. What have you been up to?
Honestly, just working a lot. What about you?
I've been busy too.
That's crazy. Everybody's busy.
That feels real, right?
Yeah, it's not hard when you have structures.
Exactly. But now we're going to hit the hardest part.
But what do you do when the conversation starts, but you don't hear what they say? Because that happens all the time. And if you don't have the phrase, you'll just smile like this and nod.
And pray.
Yep.
We're fixing that next. Okay, this part is a lifesaver because you can be fluent and still not understand someone because they talk fast, they mumble, there's noise, or they have an accent. So today we're going to give you the most polite, most natural American phrases to survive. First one, sorry, what was that?
That sounds rude.
It can sound rude if your tone is rude. But if you smile, it's normal. Try it.
Sorry, what was that?
Perfect.
Second one.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Third, could you repeat that?
Fourth, I didn't catch that.
I didn't catch that. It sounds smooth.
It is smooth. Next level. Sorry, I missed that last part. Or, can you say it a little slower?
Can you say it slower?
Great. And if you want to be extra polite, do you mind saying that one more time? Now let's put it in a story. The person in the lobby says something super fast. Yeah, I'm here for the show, and we're just waiting for them to open the studio and...
I'm already lost.
Exactly. So you say, sorry, I didn't catch that. Are you here for the podcast too?
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Are you here for the studio too?
Perfect, because you didn't just ask them to repeat. Because you guided the conversation to something you can control.
All right, story time. So today, my sister and I walk into a coffee shop before coming to the studio. And I already know what's going to happen.
Something embarrassing.
Always. So we walk in and the barista is super friendly.
Hey there, how's it going?
My sister freezes for half a second.
Pretty good. How about you?
Good. What can I get started for you?
See, that part is easy because I can just point.
No pointing. No pointing today. We're practicing.
Fine.
My sister turns into a confident English speaker, at least for a second.
Can I get a medium iced coffee, please?
Sure. Anything else?
That's it.
Cool. Name for the order?
And this is where my brain leaves.
Because you're not ready for the name question. So I whisper, just say your name and smile.
Ellie.
Got it, Ellie. That'll be $5.42.
And then she says something like, do you want to add a tip? And I don't hear it because the blender is screaming.
Exactly. Real life. So you say,
sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again?
do you want to add a tip?
Oh, yes, please.
Perfect. Now we step to the side and wait. And there's a guy next to us who's also waiting. And he starts a small talk.
Busy morning, huh? I hate when people talk to me.
But you're going to win today. So you answer with a reaction.
Yeah, for real. I've been running around all morning.
Look at you using the phrase.
Same, I'm just trying to wake up. I feel that. Do you come here a lot?
That question is so simple and powerful. Now the stranger talks fast.
Yeah, I usually come here before work. I work over in the north side and traffic is I lost him after north.
Now you use your survival phrase.
Nice. What do you do? Sorry, I missed that last part. You said you work on the north side? Y'all, I'll work over there. Nice. What do you do?
Boom! That's directing and controlling the conversation.
I'm in construction. Oh, that's cool. How long have you been doing that?
Listen, she's doing better than most people. Now our drinks are ready. Ellie!
That's me.
Now the perfect exit line.
All right, it was nice talking to you. Have a good one. You too. That felt so natural.
Because it was. Now we are walking out, and as we leave, the stranger says,
Stay safe out there. What does that even mean?
it just means take care. Like, stay safe out there. It's like saying be careful. Be careful.
English is full of secret meanings.
Now we are getting in our car and getting to our studio. And the entire time, my sister's like,
What if they talk to me in the studio?
they will.
What if they ask me questions?
They will.
What if I don't understand?
Then you will say,
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
exactly. Now we have arrived to the studio, and there's a receptionist.
Hey, how are you? Pretty good. How about you? Good. First time here? Yeah, it's our first time here. Awesome. Are you here for the podcast?
Yes, we are. Now the receptionist says something longer.
Perfect. Just sign here and someone will get you in a minute.
Sorry, what was that? Can you say it a little slower?
That's polite and confident. Just sign and someone will come get you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Now we sit down and we wait.
Esta historia continúa. Y déjanos un gran like para que subamos la segunda parte.
Suscríbete y toca la campanita para que recibas una notificación de que subimos la segunda parte.
Nos vemos allá. Bye.